Phrases a woman who's had a lot of men in her past will say. Hey there, it's Anna. In today's video, we're delving into a sensitive yet intriguing topic. Phrases that a woman who's had many men in her past is likely to say. It's about understanding the subtle hints in her language that reflect her experiences and perspectives on relationships. Recognizing these phrases can offer valuable insights into her history and how it shapes her current interactions. And by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of these verbal cues and what they might mean for your relationship with her. Oh, and the bonus tip at the end is really important for this subject, so make sure not to skip that. I'm not easily impressed. This statement can indicate that she has high standards, potentially shaped by her experiences in past relationships. When someone says they are not easily impressed, it often means they have a clear idea of what they are looking for in a partner and a relationship. It suggests that she values certain qualities or actions more than others, possibly due to learning from previous encounters of what works best for her. Understanding this phrase is key. It's not necessarily a challenge or a negative statement, rather. It's an insight into her relationship expectations. If you are interested in her, consider asking what qualities or actions do impress her. Now, this can open up a dialogue about relationship expectations and experiences, providing an opportunity for deeper understanding. Now, respond with genuine interest in learning about her perspectives, such as, I'd love to know what does impress you, or what are some qualities you truly value in a person. Now, these responses show your willingness to understand her better and can lead to meaningful conversations. I can tell a player a mile away. Now, when she says that she can tell a player a mile away, it suggests she has developed a keen ability to identify certain types of men based on her past experiences. This indicates she has been in situations before where she's had to discern someone's intentions. It can be a sign that she's learned from these experiences and is now more cautious or discerning in her approach to new relationships. This phrase reflects a level of relationship wisdom and an understanding of different personality types. If this phrase comes up, it can be an opportunity for you to express your authenticity. Assure her of your genuine intentions in a respectful manner. For example, I understand why you would be cautious. I'm here to get to know you for who you are. It's important to respect her experience and perspective while also communicating your own sincerity. This kind of open and honest conversation can help build trust and show that you value not just the relationship but also her past experiences and the wisdom she brings to it. I know all the games. The statement, I know all the games, implies that she's familiar with various dating and flirting tactics, often used in the early stages of relationships. This familiarity could stem from her own past experiences where she has encountered different strategies people use in dating. It suggests that she's become adept to recognizing and understanding these tactics. This phrase indicates a level of savviness about the dating scene and possibly a desire for more genuine, straightforward interactions. When faced with this comment, it's beneficial to demonstrate your genuineness. You might respond with, I'm not interested in playing games, I prefer honest and open communication. It's important to show that your approach to the relationship is sincere and straightforward. This reassures her that you are interested in a meaningful relationship, rather than that superficial dating game. It's also a good opportunity to discuss what both of you are looking for in a relationship, establishing a foundation of honesty and transparency from the start. Now, before we dive into the next point, if you are finding these videos helpful, a like and a comment go a long way, and I really appreciate it. If you're new, consider subscribing and leave a comment saying I've subscribed so I can welcome you to the community. Now, on to the next one. I've dated all types of guys. When she says that she's dated all types of guys, it's a direct acknowledgement of the diversity in her dating history. Now, this statement suggests that she has had a range of experiences with different personalities and relationship dynamics. It can indicate a broad understanding of what she looks for in a partner, having learned from various past relationships. Now, this breadth of experience could have helped her form a clearer picture of what she wants and doesn't want in her current and future relationships. Now, your response to this statement can reflect both understanding and curiosity. It's important to engage with respect and genuine interest, seeing her past experiences as contributing to the person she is today, rather than a point of judgment or reservation. I don't get attached easily. The statement, I don't get attached easily, can imply a level of emotional resilience that she may have developed from her past relationships. This phrase suggests that she approaches relationships with a degree of caution, possibly due to previous experiences. It could indicate that she's learned to guard her emotions to a certain extent, maybe as a way to avoid getting hurt. This level of emotional self-protection can be a sign of her having navigated various relationship dynamics, leading to a more cautious approach to attachment. So in responding to this, it's important to acknowledge and respect her emotional boundaries. Now you can say, I understand, and I think it's important to take things at a pace that feels right for the both of us. This shows that you respect her approach and are willing to build a connection that considers both your comfort levels. It's also an opportunity to gently explore her views on relationships and attachment, fostering open and honest communication. Be mindful to approach the conversation with sensitivity and without pressing her to change her stance. I've had my fair share of heartbreaks. That when she mentions that she's had her fair share of heartbreaks, it's a candid acknowledgement of her emotional journey in past relationships. This statement suggests that she has experienced significant emotional challenges, which have likely contributed to her current perspective on love and relationships. It implies a history of deep emotional involvement and the pain that can sometimes accompany it. Her openness about these experiences can indicate a maturity and self-awareness gained through overcoming these challenges. In responding to this, showing empathy and understanding is key. You can express that it sounds like you've been through a lot, and you know what? I admire your strength. Acknowledging her emotional experiences validates her feelings and shows your sensitivity towards her past. It's important to approach such conversations with care, ensuring that you offer support without overstepping boundaries. If you are comfortable, you can also share your own experiences with heartbreak, as this can create a shared sense of understanding and deepen the emotional connection. Bonus tip. Building on these insights, our bonus tip is understanding and valuing relationship history. Now, this tip is essential for fostering a deeper, more empathetic understanding of your partner's past and its impact on their current relationship views. Everyone's relationship history is a tapestry of experiences that shapes their approach to love and connections. Understanding and valuing this history is crucial. It involves listening to her past experiences with empathy, without judgment or assumption. Recognizing the lessons and growth that she's gained from her past helps you appreciate her current relationship perspective. It's all about seeing her past as a valuable part of her story, not something to be ignored or overly fixated on. Embracing this history can deepen your connection, as it shows you value her as a whole person, including the experiences that have made her who she is today. Embracing and understanding someone's relationship history fosters deeper connection and trust. It shows maturity and empathy essential for a strong, respectful partnership. And this practice leads to a more compassionate, understanding approach to relationships, where past experiences are seen as integral to personal growth and current relationship dynamics. So now that you are clued up on how to spot these phrases, what's next for you? Discover the things she says when she wants you to make a move, or learn how to use reverse psychology to build attraction. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.